In front of me is OnePlus Ace 3V, and today I would like to show you how you can delete a password from Google Passwords Manager. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down to access Google. Then tap on All Services, Autofill, Autofill with Google and Google Password Manager. Following that, you need to tap on any password that you wish to delete, enter your screen lock and click on Delete button. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!